How to fix app permission reset after system update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When your phone resets app permissions after a system update, it's usually due to the new security rules, unused app being auto-revoked, or corrupted system settings. You can fix this by manually restoring permissions, disabling auto-revoke feature, or resetting your system preferences. So the first thing you can do is re-enable the permission manually. Go to Settings. Then from here, go to Apps. From Apps, you need to go ahead and find the affected app. So I'll just select a random app from here. Now once you tap on App, you can go over to Permissions and allow the permission that has been revoked. Tap on it, tap on Allow, and you should be good to go. Now you can do this for as many apps as you want. Go over there, go to Permissions, and just allow the permission from there. Once that is done, you can disable auto permission reset. You can do that by going over to Apps again. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. And there you can find your special permission manager. So just go ahead and tap on Special App Access or Special Access. Then you can find something similar to Auto Permission Reset. If you find it there, just disable it and you'll be good to go. Then you can also clear your System UI cache. You can do that by going over to Apps again, tap on the sorting icon, and then tap on Show System Apps. Then from here, you can find your System UI or just search for it. Once you have searched for it, you can just tap on System UI, go over to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, and you should be good to go. Now you can update all of your apps because outdated apps may trigger the permission revokes after system updates. So make sure you update everything so that doesn't happen. Now finally, you can just restart your phone once, tap on Restart, and you should be able to fix all of your issues. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.